Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm here in Divisoria, Manila, so please join with me so that you'll see the big changes of Divisoria. For your info guys, Divisoria is a commercial center in between Tondo and Binondo in Manila, known for its shops that sell low-priced goods and its diverse manufacturing activities. Tondo Center is situated within the commercial hub, along with a night market located in the center's vicinity. The area is riddled with different bazaars, bargain malls, and a few points of interest. Ayan guys, ito na yung Tondo Center at napansin nyo nga konti na lang tao talaga ditong naglalakad. At ngayon guys, very visible na ang historic Andres Bonifacio Monument at hindi ko talaga nakita ito dati sa sobrang dami ng tao. At sa likod lang din ng Tondo Center ang historic Philippine National Railway Station. At ngayon guys, may mini park na rin dito at may mga upuan din. Pwede na mag-relax kung napapagod ka ka-shopping at kakaikot. Maganda na nga guys maglakad-lakad dito kasi hindi na siya crowded at malinis at may mga landscape na rin as you can see. Titingnan rin natin guys ang Tondo Night Market. This is it guys at marami na ring mga shoppers dito at malamang bumibili sila ng mga regalo at kung ano-ano pa para sa upcoming holiday season. At may footbridge na rin sila guys at andito ako ngayon at hindi lang siya basta-basta footbridge, may cover pa siya. At guys, himala, walang mga vendors dito. FYI guys, here are the major attractions in Divisoria such as Andres Bonifacio Monument, Tondo Center, Divisoria Mall, 168 Shopping Mall, Lucky Chinatown, Sengguan Temple, and Tondo Railway Station. If you still remember guys, dito dati yung mga roads, ang dami vendors at sobrang traffic, halos hindi makadaan ang mga sasakyan. Pati tao nga sa sobrang siksikan. At tingnan nyo naman ngayon guys, wala nang traffic, wala na ring mga vendors along the roads at sidewalks at less crowd na rin. I feel secure roaming around the area guys kasi very visible yung mga police natin in order to serve and protect the people. Mabuhay yung mga kapulisan natin across the country. As per history guys, the origin of Divisoria can be traced back to the Spanish colonial era when non-Christian Chinese traders were prohibited to live and do business inside the nearby Intramuros. This led the ethnic Chinese to set up shop in Binondo, which caused the area situated near the Pasig River to become a thriving commercial hub. The market thrived on its convenient transportation facilities that allowed for the easy transport of goods like the natural canal that connected the market to Pasig River, the convenient access for trucks and buses from provinces, and the railroad station, also known as the Tondo Railway Station or the Manila Railroad that passed within the block of the market. Excellent job, Mayor Isko Moreno of Manila and Duterte administration. Mabuhay Philippines! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel and click the bell button so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. Keep safe everyone.